Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. Today we are going to learn about the join command. As usual, type J, and here you can see the join command. Type enter, or you can simply type J and spacebar in the keyboard. Then the command active. First let's draw the two lines, this line and again line straight to it. Now select these two lines and then press J in the keyboard and then space. It will automatically join these two lines. So let's Control Z. And here you can see two different lines. So to join this line, this must be in the same alignment. If let's move this the leader upward, then selecting line and typing join command, it will not join the line. So to join the line, it must be in the same alignment, then only we can join the line. The other thing, let's draw the line whatever we want. Let's see here, selecting line, these are the separate lines, so we can make connection between these lines by simply selecting all these lines and typing join command. Here is, then all these lines are connected. If you don't want to join, you can simply use the polyline command and draw the lines as per your requirement. This is the lines. Like, share and subscribe to civil engineering tips to learn faster. Peace out.